it's almost impossible to quantify what a personal injury claim is worth in a generic form, right? Every personal injury case is extremely specialized, and it's controlled by a lot of different variables. Is there insurance in the first place, right? It's very difficult to recover a liability or any sort of damage from an individual who has no insurance policy and no real assets that you can claim. So it could be worth nothing, even though you have severe injuries, or at least nothing you could ever actually recover on. So one of the main factors is there insurance? What is the insurance policy? Sometimes there's policies where there's only property damage, which will help potentially pay for a car or damage to property of your own, but it has absolutely no coverage for your actual injuries. So that's another factor. If there is a personal injury policy in play, what is it? Some of the standard ones in Florida are 10-20, which is $10,000, $20,000 cap on an incident, 25-50, 100-300, and so forth and so on. But we have to make sure, obviously, there is a policy in play to guarantee that there is the ability to recover for an injury. Then it comes down to, what are the actual losses? What are the medical expenses? What are lost wages, the pain and suffering? There's a lot of different theories that we can go forward on in personal injury claims, and they, again, are so unique to each case. There is no one case is identical to another, right? One injury can be catastrophic, they can never use their arm or their leg again, versus somebody who has soft tissue damage, and now it's difficult for them to lift their arms above their head, but in other ways they're completely fine. So again, to give that kind of answer is nearly impossible. What we have to recommend is contact an attorney, somebody who can actually help you evaluate what your particular claim is and what we can recover for you, hopefully, under law and under insurance policies and under everything that's available to us.